it's me, teacher Alex. So for today's lesson is about space. And last week we talked about texture. So for today we will proceed with the space, which is the last element in visual art. Space in visual art means an area where objects are presented. Space can be positive or negative. When we say positive space, filled with something such as lines, designs, colors, or shapes. And when we say negative space, that is the empty space in an artwork, a void, or the space around the subject. For example, on the first side of the butterfly, with a black space around it, that is your negative space. And on the second side, the white area surround the butterfly, that is negative space. So the butterfly is your positive space.
Usually, when we hear the words positive and negative, we think of positive being good and negative being bad. When it comes to creating art, the words positive and negative have completely different meanings. The positive space in a drawing or a painting is usually the main subject of your artwork, as illustrated by this stool. The negative space is the background or the space around your subject. Typically, our eyes are drawn to the positive space first. In this well-known self-portrait by Frida Kahlo, Frida herself takes up the positive space, and the monkey, cat, foliage, and rich texture fills up the negative space or the background. While we tend to focus on the main subject of our artwork, it is equally valuable to put some thought into what will fill up the negative space or background. Here's another example of a famous painting without the negative space filled in and with the negative space filled in. You can see the difference. Here's another simple illustration of positive and negative space. Do you see faces or a vase? If you are seeing a vase, then you are seeing the white area as the positive space. If you are seeing faces, then you are seeing the black areas as the positive space and the white area as the negative space.
In drawing, space is an area around, between, and within things. Space in drawing artwork creates a sense of comfort and relaxation. The following pictures are examples for our artwork using space. In the first picture, a picture with space looks relaxed and comfortable. And the second picture, without space, a picture looks uncomfortable and compressed. It's an opposite to the first picture that I show you. The third picture, a drawing with space around the object. And for the last one, a drawing with space within the object. So adding color to space to balance the artwork will make the drawing more beautiful. So that is our last elements of visual art. Remember, space means an area where objects are presented. And for the two types of space, we have the positive space and the negative space. So I hope you understand about space. Now let's proceed to your writings. Get your art notebook and write the following slides. And please don't forget to answer your activity number 4, picture dictation.